Hello everybody, good morning. I hope you guys are all having a great, lovely day. It is Tuesday and I already did a room tour, so I figured why not do an updated room tour because I changed a couple things around. So I was like, you know what, yeah, let's do an updated room tour. Look at that, like I'm so fucking hot. Like, yes, like, wow. I'd fucking date me. Why am I fucking single? I don't fucking know. Let's get started with this room tour. The bitch got work in like 2 hours. Okay, here it is. Don't mind that. This was just literally like right behind my door, and it's like my coats, my bags, things I can hang up. Coffee Flora made this. It's really amazing. If you're ever in Hawaii and need Haku services, hit her up. Right over here I have my work shoes and my work bag, and then I believe that's my wallet down there. This wall, I keep like most of my hats. I have a lot of the same colored hats. Avengers down there. This is a picture of me at a car show when I was a kid, you know, because my dad's into cars and things like that. Patrice actually made this, which she said she messed up on, but I think it's still pretty. Because I got that from Ross for $5. This is me and all of my elementary friends. What's her name again? Fuck. Nicole, Nina, Noelle. Noelle right there. This is Dylan and Deja. They are right over there. Yesa blessa. That's me and my elementary school girlfriend, Nina. She moved back to Japan like right before the tsunami hit, and I haven't talked to her since, so yeah, I hope she's doing well. That's me and my brother, and those are just like all of us, kind of. I stole this. Got this from Ross. These are like the lights I use just in case I need to, like, you know, film at night. Auntie Cherie's suitcase, my trash can, and my workout pad. This wall. Don't mind that plate, I just ate breakfast. This is my baby's handprint, but my parents don't know how to read, and it's a footprint. I took this lamp from my grandma's house. It has a bunch of headphones, glasses, and a bunch of other shit. Jewelry box where I hold my chains, gauges, watches, and shit. This is supposed to be a money box, but I have my glasses in there because, you know, I don't have any money. Harry Potter emojis, a succulent. I actually got that from my mom, but then I stole it back from her. Got that from Ross. This is my thumbtack wall. Got those sprays from Bath & Body. They smell really good. Tiki Beach is actually my favorite, but this is the only one that has things left in it. It's called Midnight Blue Citrus. Yeah, it smells so good. I have camera stuff over there that I don't really use, like extra lenses and an extra mic just in case. TV, even though I don't actually watch TV, but I don't know, you know, just to have it. This is a picture of me and my dad at the beach. Look at that. Owner of Coffee Floral, her name is Cheka, also made that. You guys know how hakus are usually supposed to go like around your head. She made that for me when I had long hair, so it actually went around my bun and it looked great. I was like, yes, ain't nobody got this. Then I got my bed. My bed, I have 2 comforters, 1 memory foam, a couch, and a mattress. This is actually a couch, but it folds into a mattress, and then I kind of just have a mattress on top of that, and then a memory foam on top of that, 2 comforters, and then like a sheet that goes over it. I had since I was a kid, so I don't really feel like getting rid of it. Oh look, his neck is broken, oh well. I'm not sure who gave me this, but I have it. And then I have all these cute little peas. Last year I went to the Christmas party, and it was right around when Aquaman came out. I had Aquaman tickets, but I've never seen those peas before, so I traded my Aquaman tickets with somebody for those peas. So what, I ended up going to a better Aquaman movie with the premiere with him and the younger actor in it anyways, so I was like, fuck yeah. So it's a good thing I traded that shit in, because I went to go watch it with him and the younger actor and the news crew. Where's the banana? This banana, Ashlyn actually gave to me. I think it was the first Christmas that I met her. She bought me this banana. Cause you know I'm into bananas. Sup you fucker. It's okay. Is my desk, cause you know I'm a business bitch now. I'm just kidding, I don't know what I'm talking about. And there I have my camera stuff, and my GoPro, my drone and shit. Over here I have like journals and my business cards. This is my calendar that I like to lay out every single day, just so when I wake up in the morning I have an idea of what I'm doing during the day, what I have to do, what I have to film, this and that. This with like pencils, I believe these are chopsticks, erasers and things like that. Oh shit. Google Home that I don't actually use because I don't have anything to play music on it is the 10 to 18 millimeter lens. It's either the 16 to 35, which I have on top right now, or it's that one when I'm vlogging. Cologne that I'm running out of, so I'm trying not to use it, so I'm using it whenever, you know, I have like a special occasion, but nothing too much. My mic that I got for when I make videos on my computer, which I don't really do, but if I do, then I have it. Computer, my phone. The picture of me, Jalissa, and Patrice. This picture is also supposed to be sent to Jalissa, but I liked it, so I kept it. Friend wall. Lamila Maui. Right there, we got me and Ashlyn. Yes, blessa. Me in kindergarten. That's me and Patrice at prom. Me and Ashlyn again. Me, Lamia, Ashlyn, Maui, Patrice, Tori, and I'm pretty sure her name is Elena. Chair. What's up? bitch. My mirror is like right over here because I don't know, I just think it looks cool. This is actually my shirt that I'm gonna use for work today in like a couple hours. Hats, bandanas, all my pareos right over here. And then here is my closet and stuff where I have all of my clothes. Like my new bags that I got doesn't have to be a part of my room tour, but like I love it so much and I think it just looks great, so I'm gonna put it a part of my room tour. Here it is. Usually I use like my fake Herschel bag to like go adventures and things like that. I actually just bought a tactical bag and it's so amazing because I can use it for travel. It fits so much things in there. I got it from Hawaii's Finest and it also came with like a mini travel backpack-ish, and then it also came with a fanny pack, so yeah. So this is the Hawaii's Finest backpack. It comes with a bunch of, what are these called? Stickers, patches? Everything that fit in that suitcase can fit in this bag. This also small one that I'm gonna use for like hiking adventures, you know, island adventures, things like that. Then I have this fanny pack. Holy shit! What the fuck? Well, I guess my room wanted to show the hole in my wall. This is the giant hole in my wall. When I was younger, I had anger issues. Terrible way to start things off. My brother actually broke my computer one day and he grabbed the screen and he twisted and the entire screen just shattered. So fucking mad, and instead of beating his ass, I broke the wall. Oh god, my parents were pissed, but you know what? I didn't beat his ass. I was yelling at him and then I punched the wall and then he was crying. Most importantly, I didn't beat his ass. Fuck you for exposing me. I wasn't gonna do that, but you know what? I guess so. I might as well show like the other holes in my room. One day I got mad and I kicked that. This one, my dad missed my face and then he punched the wall instead. Same with this one, my dad missed my face and then he punched the door instead. There was this one time where my dad tried to punch me and I blocked it and I was like, fuck yeah, I fucking blocked his punch. I'm not gonna get lickings. And then my mom came from the other side and fucking clocked me a good one. I was like, fuck, it's fucking teamwork right there. Like I fucking blocked one punch from my dad and then my mom came from the other side, side-blinded me and just fucking bah, and I was like, oh fuck. Yeah, for all you mainland people who think that's abuse, that's what happens when people in Hawaii don't listen to their parents. Lickings. Discipline. So those are the bags that I got from Hawaii's Finest. And yeah guys, that's my entire room tour, updated room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also click that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. And yeah, have a great night, day, or whatever you guys are having, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.